The National Institute of Metalworking Skills has exclusively endorsed Amatrol's eLearning to prepare for the Industrial Technology Maintenance certifications. Addressing the critical need for skilled maintenance technicians, NIMS has created 9 stackable certifications for industrial technology maintenance. Endorsed by NIMS, Amatrol's ITM eLearning was developed specifically to support and align with all 9 duty areas of the certifications. Amatrol's ITM eLearning is filled with interactive content to engage the learner and provide a rewarding learning experience. Amatrol's eLearning features dynamic problem-solving interactions, vivid 3D graphics and animations, videos, and proven instructional design techniques. Amatrol's comprehensive eLearning is designed for individual, self-paced, or group learning flexibility. In addition to the eLearning, Amatrol provides on-the-job training manuals and instructor guides for each ITM duty area. In addition to the endorsed eLearning, Amatrol offers hardware systems designed to recreate industrial applications to prepare students for the required hands-on assessment portion of the ITM certifications.